Hello, I just want to look at a couple of items to do with maintaining the LGv50 in good health if you haven't run across these. So you just go into the settings function and you scroll down on the settings and under a thing called extensions, I think. And right at the top of the extensions screen, see the word Smart Doctor. So open that, and then Smart Doctor gives you the option to, it's called optimize the phone and the internal storage and memory. So basically it just does a tidy up for you. So you choose the option optimize phone, and then it just clicks away for a while. One. Optimised. Good. So it comes back with the new settings. So 26% and 66, and I think that was about 67, so not too much to do. And underneath that there are also some more interesting buttons you can press to help look after the phone. There's one called Test Hardware. So click on that, and here you're testing the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, proximity sensor, light sensor, fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope and magnetometer. And you can go through each one by one, or there's a button down the bottom saying test all, so I'll press on that test all. And then the test all then just works its way through the different options, and they're all good. All hardware working fine, that's what we like to see. So I'll go back to the previous screen. And another option down the bottom here is diagnose. So I don't think there's anything wrong with my phone at the moment, but just in case there was, you can use that button, diagnose. And it comes back with a confirmation your phone is working fine. Battery, apps, internal storage and networks were diagnosed. Remember to diagnose your phone for problems and optimise it regularly. This ensures your phone is running at its best. So there we have it. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Cheers.